Hello all of you beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be a little bit of a different video for me. I've never done this actually on my channel yet, but I've been really inspired to actually do this because of one of my favorite YouTubers, Claudia. If you don't know who she is an amazing YouTuber. I love her style. I love just the aesthetic that she kind of puts off, or just who she is. And so I've really kind of like vibed with her over the past few years. She obviously is a Midwestern girl from Chicago, if you didn't know that, and I am from Indiana, so she's not that far from me, but she obviously lives in LA now, which many YouTubers end up going to. So, but in general, she recently did this what's in my bag type of video, and I've obviously seen these before on other channels like Refinery29, Cosmopolitan, Elle, Vogue. I'm pretty sure all those bigger channels have done this before, where they kind of just go and ask, you know, what actually is in your bag. And if you're interested in seeing what's in my bag, then just go ahead and stay tuned. But you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, to start off with my bag, if I can get it into view, it is this lovely Kate Spade bag. It is a Kate Spade tote bag. I don't know the exact brand, or not brand, the exact like name of the bag, because I actually got it secondhand off of Poshmark. If you don't know what Poshmark is, Poshmark is just basically a thrifting website where you can sell your gently used items to other people if they're interested. It's kind of just like Macari and some of those other ones like Depop, same thing. But yes, I was able to get this lovely bag off of Poshmark, which I fell in love with just by looking at it. It's so beautiful. I'll show you the inside once I actually go through and empty it out, so you can actually see the full detail of the bag. But I got it for a steal for $25 on there. And I just could not be even more excited because I saw another bag I'm actually really trying to hunt down. I even messaged the person today of what the name of the bag was, so if I can figure that out, I'll actually put it right here for you guys so you can see it on the screen. But yeah, I've just been really trying to find another one like this because I just love this bag so much. It's just like the perfect size for me. It's very sturdy. It's a beautiful, beautiful turquoise teal color. If you can see that obviously on screen. It's coming off a little bit more blue on camera, but it's kind of like a sea foam green type of ordeal. But yeah, it's super beautiful. It's perfect size for me to hold everything in. But let's just go ahead and get into the bag. And let me just talk about some of the simple things that I have in here. So first thing just pulling out obviously is going to be my wallet. This is just a black Jessica Simpson wallet that has a few different compartments in it, where I'm able to keep everything like my credit cards, my driver's license, gift cards, money, coins. So I've actually had this wallet for a very long time. I got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I think it was Marshalls because the Marshalls is the closest one to me. I normally don't go to TJ Maxx that often because it's just all so far all the way north. But yes, definitely love this because of all the different compartments that are in it. And it also has a string on it, or not string, wow, what is this called? For you to... a wristlet. There you go, Sandra. Wristlet. That's what I was thinking of. Wristlet. Hi. It has the wristlet on it, so if I don't want to take on my phone purse, I can actually just go ahead and take this in there with me, and then throw a few, like maybe a lip gloss or chapstick in here, and then I am good to go. So that is the first item we pulled out of my bag. We're going to actually go through the center area before I go through the pockets, because this actually has a lot of space in it. It's a lot of room in here. So some of the quick other things that are kind of in here, like I've got a mask in here because you know we all have to wear that right now at the moment. I've got my LG fast charger that goes with my phone because I do have an LG G8 from T-Mobile. Love that. And this thing charges so fast, but it has to be the fast charging block and the cord that goes with it. It is a C cable, but my phone charges so quick, which reminds me I probably should be charging my phone right now at the moment. So I'm going to plug that in, because what's really great about this little light setup is there's the plugs on this side. So I can plug in my phone, which is also why, how these bright lights, which you can't see behind me, are also plugged in through on the side of this as well. Also, just a question if anyone's interested. If you guys are interested in me doing a room tour of my beauty room, I would definitely be up for doing that, and then kind of doing a more in-depth of like my makeup collection. So if it's something you're interested in, leave me a comment down below if that's something that you guys are wanting me to do. And then the next stuff in here, just basic keys. I've got my keys to my car, which is a Toyota RAV4 hybrid. Love that vehicle so much. If you don't know, if you haven't seen my vehicle, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's a lease vehicle, but it is the 2019 RAV4 hybrid. You should definitely check out my Instagram. You'll see it on there. Also on my TikTok, it's on there as well. So yeah, self-plug. Go check out my TikTok if you actually want to go ahead and see that. If I haven't talked to you guys about that recently, I do have a TikTok, SANDRADEEBEAUTY01. So shameless self-plug. Go check it out. But yeah, my keys right here, my house keys, alarm thing, mace in case I need it, some key cards to like Planet Fitness, other stuff like that. So that is there. And then more or less in the center, I'm just going to pull out a bunch of stuff that's in here just because I'm a girl and I tend to hoard a lot of things in my bag. So I've got some safety pins that I recently bought because I had a button that came loose on one of my shirts when I was at work. So I definitely need to have these. Obviously I don't need the full pack of 50, but hey, you know what? At least I have it. Next thing I have in here is some hand lotion. This I got in one of my Boxy Charms or Ipsy. It is a creme rose, like deep lotion. It is just so heavenly. It feels so good. So like plush and luscious. I can't rave enough about it. It just smells so good and it's been lasting me a really long time. Then I also keep a travel toothbrush and toothpaste here in a bag right here for us, just in case you never know when you need to brush your teeth wherever you go, and especially at work, since I do work in the restaurant business, and you know, sometimes we snack a little bit, but hey, sometimes you want to brush your teeth. Then I've also got my lock for when I go to the gym. I go to Planet Fitness, if I didn't say that already. And then I also have some Myo Energy Caffeine B vitamin, like what are these drops that go into it? This is the strawberry pineapple smash. This is delicious, so good. Gives me just the right energy. Obviously it gives you some vitamin B for more energy as well, but a great flavor to try in your water. Then I also have my earbuds. These are the J-Lab earbuds. They are chargeable by a USB, as you can see right here for us, and then when you open them up, that's what they look like. These are amazing earbuds. This is probably about my second or third one of these because some odd reason I've lost my earbuds that many times, but I did get them from Best Buy and they're about $50 to $60, somewhere in that price range, but they have amazing quality in them. You should definitely check them out. If I can find a link, I will also link those down below because I just rave about them so much. I've gotten my fiance to buy them, other friends to buy them. They're clutch earbuds and there's no reason to spend $200 on Beats earbuds. These are pristine and just like, or spending $200 on the AirPods if you don't have to. These are just amazing quality and yep. Alright, so that's everything that was in the center. So kind of moving off to the side because there's two side pockets. I've got two perfumes that are in here right now at the moment. I've got the YSL Black Opium. This is just amazing, classic scent. It just feels very, what's the word I'm looking for? I guess in the sense bougie because it's YSL, but I love this so much. I love this scent. It smells so good. And then I also have the more or less, the one I will just spritz all over and waste because I would just want to smell good. This is Pink Sugar for us. If you don't know what Pink Sugar is, I also have some extras behind me. If you can't, why can't I point to the right spot? Behind me, right here. And it's a very sweet scent. And I love it. I've been in love with this scent since high school, pretty much. So I just can't get enough of it. It's just one of my favorite scents. And then I've just got a few pens in here, typical, just to make sure I have some. But I also do have the ones from Wild Turkey because we recently just went down to Gatlinburg, Kentucky, or no, Louisville, Kentucky. Then we went to Gatlinburg. Anyways, did the Bourbon Trail. We went to Wild Turkey, which was really fun. And then I've got a lot of lip products in here because your girl just has to have her lips, you know, right. So I've got 1, 2, 3, okay, all of this. So I've got a few different lip products right here for us. I have the lifter glosses. These two are my favorite. You guys have heard me talk about these way too much. This is Stone and Petal. I recently talked about those in a video. I don't know which one it is, but I think maybe a favorites video probably. And then the same thing with the Morphe two shades that are right here as well. These are Virgin and Peanut, and I definitely did talk about Peanut in my most favorites video for October, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll link it here for you, along with the Laneige lip balm in Grapefruit. Clutch. And then along with these other two lip balms I have right here, the Milani Fresh Fruit, which is Blackberry Acai, and then I also have the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in Tough Cookie. So those are my lip products that I have inside this bag right now. And then moving on to what else is left in these pockets. People are gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh. If you know me, you know me. If you don't, you wouldn't understand. I do have a mirror right here for us, just a little compact mirror. It just says Kiss and Makeup, so I thought that's really cute, but it's a dual mirror with a regular side mirror and then one that kind of zooms you in a little bit. I forget what the technical term for that is, but there is that. Then I also do have some gift cards or gift certificates from work in case I want to. I have some gift certificates. Then I also have some gift certificates from work in case I want to network with people while I'm out and I just, you know, want to give something away to someone that I met. And then also, I have one more lip product in here. This one you've heard me talk about before, the Physicians Formula Organic Wear. This one is in the shade Ginger Snap. Oh yeah, this one is just so good. Such a beautiful color, especially for fall. And then obviously you can see in my hand, for those of you that know me, I love salt. Yes, salt is so good to me. Obviously you can create high blood pressure. I know. Trust me, I know. But I love putting salt on lemons and limes when it comes to my alcoholic beverages, or if I'm just eating them on the regular. But hey, I love lemons and limes, and I have to have salt. So I just have a few salt packets that I keep in my bag in case also if I go to a restaurant and they don't have salt. And then I also have this little beer salt. It's the lemon and lime beer salt. It's just, you can get it at your local liquor store, but I actually don't use it on beer. Sometimes I do. I don't always drink beer. I'm more of like a truly lime and grapefruit type of girl, or when it just comes to maybe like, I don't know, like a salty dog or a margarita, you know, your girl, you gotta have salt. You gotta have the salt aspect that goes with it all. So yes, that is what I have there. Put all this stuff back where it goes in my purse really quickly so I'm not like forgetting to do that. Oh, I guess, no, I need to keep it empty, Sandra. What am I thinking? I just told you I was gonna empty the bag out and then show you what it looked like on the inside. Am I forgetting? I am forgetting. So, we're almost done though. Oh, I also do have this cute little hair clip. That's so adorable. It's a little pearl clip. Looks like that, just so in case sometimes I want to pull my hair back a little bit. And then the last thing is I have this zipper, which is on the inside, which has a few different things. So, if you're a human being or a girl, you gotta have some type of pain meds. So I have the Aleve liquid gel strength for 12 hours. And then I also have some menstrual medicine as well. So enough of that. And then I've got two hand sanitizers that are in here. Two hand sanitizers that are in here. This one's just a Frontier Jackson hand sanitizer. I got it from work. And then this one I actually got from my boss because she had a bunch of these and she gave me one. This is the Strawberry Pound Cake from Bath & Body Works. This smells so delicious. I wish I could eat it, but obviously you can't. But it just, oh, it smells so good. So good. So those are the two hand sanitizers that I have in my purse. And then, again, a little TMI, you gotta have some girl stuff in there. So if you know what those are, they're tampons. Okay, moving on. I've got a hairband in here in case I need to put my hair back. This is one of those squiggly plastic ones. I don't know how to say them, exactly the type of hair tie is, but I love this hair tie just because it is great because I have really thick hair. And it also doesn't put a crease in your hair either. So they have smaller ones which are a little bit more on the thinner side. These are actually more on the thicker side. I got this in like a 6-pack from I don't know where, but you can obviously get these from any store, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart. And then I do have some BioTrue eye drops for my contacts because sometimes your eyes get just a little dry and you need to have some eye drops. But I'm actually missing the traditional eye drops I should have in here, and I do not know where they're at. I'm gonna guess they're probably in the last purse that I used, which is over there yonder. Gotta make sure I put those back in here because I switched purses the other day because I just didn't want this big purse when I was out and about. And then there's that. And then the last items I have in here, this is from my work. Not gonna really show you where I work from, but anyways, this is what we call the Bible of work. So it just kind of has our principles and beliefs and things like that, and it's always keep it in my bag with me. And then last but not least, inside this bag, I have these little things. If you don't know what they actually are going on top of microphones. So I love karaoke, I love singing. That is one of my biggest passions of mine. And yeah, so these actually go over the microphones just to be more hypoallergenic, especially with everything that's going on. So I've got a few of these that I have right now at the moment. This red one's the newest one I have. These other ones are starting to get a little worn down, so it's probably time for me to throw them away and then get new ones from the karaoke DJ. But yeah, that's what those are, and I'm happy that I have them to keep me safe when I sing because I love singing. And if you didn't know that I sing, if you go and check out my Instagram, there are a few, not reels, I guess. They're just like just regular videos that are on there. They're on there somewhere, so you can definitely find them. But yeah, I'll link my Instagram down below if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. And then last, here we go. This is the purse now that it's all empty and doesn't weigh like anything. Oh, I guess I do have change in here, but oh well. So this is what the purse looks like. It does have this beautiful hardware on it, gold. It says Kate Spade right there for it. And then it is a rope type of handles. And then the inside looks like this. So you've got these two pockets that are right there for us. And then if I switch to the other side, I've got this really big zipper. And then it has like a polka dot detailing on the inside as well. Kind of, whatever you want to call it, like a nude polka dot in the same color as the bag. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is what it looks like. And it is a leather bag. Also, I forgot to tell you that it is a leather bag. Again, I didn't pay full price for it. I paid $25 for this beautiful pristine bag. The only thing that was wrong with it was that there was just a little bit of discoloration in the handle. But other than that, I got it for a steal for sure. But if you guys want to ever want to check out my Poshmark, I do sell things on there. Pretty low, actually, just because I don't feel like I get the website is there for you to like upsell and like try to make money off of it. But at the end of the day, I just want my clothes to go to someone that is going to love them. And I, want to make a little bit of my money back, obviously, but I'm not going to be ridiculous and overcharge. I know that there's people who literally Poshmark is how they make their income, and they go thrifting and then they overcharge everything, which doesn't make any sense to me because you're already getting it for a deal at the thrift place for like $6 or $7, and then you're marketing it up like to $40 to $50. I just, in good conscience, I feel like I can't do that because it's not brand new. It's second hand. So for you to overprice something ridiculously and not even give it any type of like markdown, that I kind of slightly have a problem with. But again, if you guys are interested in checking out my Poshmark, go ahead and check it out down below. And yeah, I appreciate if you guys give me some love on there as well. If you're interested in any of my stuff that I buy, or any of the stuff that I have in my Poshmark, you're more than welcome to buy it. You don't have to buy it, but just thought I'd let you know that I have one. And I also did do a Poshmark thrifting type of video, kind of talking about my experience about selling stuff on there as well. So if you're interested in checking out the video, I will list it somewhere here for you. But again, I appreciate you so much. So that is everything that is in my bag. Let me know your thoughts on this video, if you like this video whatsoever. And I guess that's it for now. I mean, do we have the similar items in our bags? A lot of us do, some of us don't, some of us have different stuff. But yeah, just go ahead and leave me your thoughts and comments down below, and I appreciate you guys so much. So if you like videos like this, you know the gist. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I will see you next time. Bye!